Today I'm gonna show you how to make a delectable Yema sauce. For the ingredients, we will be needing 1 can of condensed milk, juice of 1 lemon, half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, evaporated milk. The amount will depend on your preferred consistency. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we begin to caramelize our sugar. This is low to medium heat. Remember, once the sugar starts to caramelize, we cannot stir the sugar anymore. Equally distribute your sugar. If ever there is crystallization, just brush your sides with water. Once your sugar caramelized, switch to low heat and add your butter. When your butter is melted, add your condensed milk. When everything has been thoroughly mixed, add your lemon juice, followed by your salt. Gradually add your evaporated milk to your preferred consistency. I want mine thick yet spreadable. I was able to add 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Then off heat, I added my vanilla. Now we pour onto our sterilized bottle. And now you have this sweet sauce that will level up your desserts. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.